Welcome this video. Wall plant indoor versatile succulent gardening. Transforming your indoor space into a lush gardening succulent. Do not requested along yard or gardening with a wall plant for versatile gardening succulent. You can bring the beauty of natural indoor, perfect for wall, apartment, living room, or kitchen. Succulent, a low maintenance style and idea for versatile gardening due to hair, shade root, or maximize valve need. We explore you're throwing everything for material to main entrance for create your own indoor versatile gardening succulent. Choose a versatile gardening. Versatile gardening are an innovation away to decoration your home well. Maximize space. Space saved by going various ring gardening harmonium. Attach living room wall and natural decoration. Requested minimize care and valve air quality and embrace often a functional furniture project that everyone you build uh, various wall material for succulent you need a few material you can create gardening depend on your versatile space and look your want. Basics spotted. Wood frame or showcase box. Plywood back. Step up. Wood gum and nail. Landscape fiber. Pot soil and natural plastic. Smart succulent. Hand hardware. Pens or wood stem to match your decor. Step by step. Build and repurpose the frame. Start with the wood frame.